All right, so I want to do a little quick update on the fuel system and how it's been. I got some videos I'm gonna add into this on me actually running the truck all the way to E, and I mean it drives just like it would with a factory setup. The only issue I did have, other than the pump, or not the pump but the filter, is it was losing fuel pressure after sitting over a while. So replacing the filter did not fix that. However, it did fix the leak. There's no more fuel leaking. But I guess that there's two models of the 525, and one of them does not include a check valve. So what I did is I bought a one-way -8 check valve and installed it on the output of the regulator, and then ran my PTFE back to the rail. What I was experiencing is if it sat for more than an hour or so, it would crank real long and sometimes wouldn't turn over, and then as soon as you try it again, it would turn right over. So I'm gonna do just a remote start on the truck. It's been sitting all morning since I installed it. It's been a couple hours now, so usually within like 45 minutes it would have a hard crank. And so I'm gonna show you that since I put the check valve in, it starts right up. Proof that the radium works. I mean, I'm still driving it. It's telling me, it won't even tell me how much fuel range I have left. It just says fuel level low. I mean, it doesn't go to lean or anything. That is so sick. All right, so what you're looking at here is the check valve. I put it on the input of the filter, and I'll explain why. So at the start of the video, I'm gonna leave it. I haven't edited anything. I just want to, I kind of like the whole process to be in there. I did a video stating that I had put a check valve on and it fixed my fuel issue, not starting immediately or not starting until the second turn of the key. When I had done the video of it starting, it had sat for probably 3 to 4 hours, which in that time frame, before I put the check valve, it would act like it had no fuel pressure. I'd have to turn the key twice. So I put the check valve at the fuel rail on the output of the regulator, and it did make a difference. It would start on the first turn of the key if I let it sit overnight. But it would still be an extended crank, so you turn it, and then it would start up. That bothered me, so I did a little more research and found out that the check valve needs to be as close to the tank as possible. And I guess that's my fault for seeing the first thing I read, and someone said, "Yeah, I just put it on the right there at the fuel rail," and it worked perfect. Well, it may have worked. That may have been good enough for somebody, but it bothered me. So I moved it to the input of the fuel filter, and it sat from Thursday night until yesterday morning. I didn't start it at all on Friday, and I fired it right up yesterday morning, and it cranked up just as flawless as possible. So I got that issue taken care of. So I've got no more fuel issues at all. No leaking, no fuel pressure, no bleed off, nothing. It starts and drives like a factory vehicle. And I'm also gonna have in the video, which you've already seen it, so I'm gonna explain it at this point, how you can drive the truck on empty. I mean, and I even did like a small pull. I mean, I don't have any boost or anything on it yet, but you can see that the gas light's on, and it's driving. It's not running lean, nothing. So I'm really stoked on the radium jet pump and how well it works. So I'm gonna get these lights in, and I'll kind of just show you that, just in case, I mean, installing lights is pretty simple, but not everybody is knowledgeable in that stuff, so I understand. So I'll do a video on that. And all you need to install the tail lights for the reverse on this year model is going to be a screwdriver, Phillips head. If you're in a 1500, 2014 and up, you'll need a Torx bit. I can't remember what size, and I'm not sure about the heavy duties in the next up body style or the previous body style. So just need to take these screws off right here. The light assembly will come out. So this middle one is your reverse light, and all you do is just twist it counterclockwise, and it comes right out. Now that I've shown you how to take the light assembly out, they sent me the wrong size lights. It says that it was compatible with this truck, but I've never seen the reverse lights for this. I don't know how wide it was, but just as soon as I took it out, I saw that that was much too narrow. So I guess no go on the reverse lights. I'll either send them back and get them replaced, or just do that some other time. So move on to the fog lights. Hopefully they're the right ones. Well, so you can see that's why the passenger side went out. I guess it got so hot that it melted the housing for the fog light on the passenger side. Also, I've never installed HID lights before, but it looks like someone did a butch-up job. Found duct tape, or electrical tape, all kinds of stuff. So, I guess I'm gonna get a new housing assembly and some new connectors and repin them and do it the right way. And then I won't have to worry about cleaning them. They'll be, clear. So, well, I got them on though. That's all that matters. So, hope y'all enjoyed the video. I'm about to edit everything and get it uploaded.